Today we're talking about how to increase revenue with holiday marketing ideas for small businesses. And if you don't have a holiday marketing plan yet, don't panic, you're in the right place. Holiday retail sales were over $886 billion in 2021, according to Oberlo. And this was higher than what was expected. And it even beat the sales in 2020, which was a record of $770 billion. What does this mean for your business? This is a great opportunity during the holiday season, and you can get ready to get your share of these revenues. From now until the end of the year, there's so many opportunities to get in front of potential customers. There's Black Friday, there's Cyber Monday, there's Small Business Saturday, Cyber Week, and more. There's just so much opportunity to get more sales in the door. I'm Shameka Volkers, a copywriter and marketer. If you're new here, tap the bell so that you're notified of new videos that will help you with marketing your business. Let's get started. You'll want to get in front of your ideal buyers soon. You don't want to wait for the last minute. The best time to have planned for the holidays was back in July. The next best time is now. First things first, you'll want to know who you're marketing to. Not everyone who's in your marketing world is going to be at the same point in their buying journey. So you want to market to cold, warm, and hot leads in a different and specific way. To get the most out of your holiday selling, it's best to make a plan. And to do this, you can create a strategic marketing calendar that uses your blogs, emails, social media campaigns, and ads to offer value to people in your funnels and also to convert potential customers to buyers. Add urgency to your marketing so that people won't delay. For example, it could be that a busy executive opened up your email, wanted to buy your product, but then something came up. They had to go put out a fire. Or a busy mom wanted to buy your offer, but then the baby started crying. So urgency will help you to make more sales. Invite people to join your email list so that you can provide value to them and earn the right to sell to them in emails. And to help you, I've created 25 free subject lines that you can use in your emails at any time, including the holidays. I've included it down in the comment. And you must, absolutely must add a call to action because people need direction and want to be led. Otherwise, they don't know what to do next. And if possible, if you could use a landing page that is linked to the call to action, and there's only one action to take, that will help people not to get confused. And a confused mind will never buy. Let me know in the comments which of these holiday tips you're going to use for your business.